So the first step is to write each expression as a single power. You need to identify what is the operation here. We have 2 to the power of 3, bracket 2 to the power of 2. When you have brackets, what's the operation? You're multiplying powers, which means you add the exponents, exactly. Okay, this is just a little review. So it's 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2. So what are the steps? What's the first thing you write? We write the base, which is 2, and then we add the exponents. So what's 3 plus 2? That's 1 mark right there. That's right as a single power. That's what I was looking for. 2 to the power of 5. Now the second part said, then evaluate. Well, I want to know what is 2 to the power of 5 equal to. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Instead of, okay, this means 2, I'm writing the base 5 times. So this is equal to 32. That's the second mark. 2 marks each. Question B says 3 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of what? 1. Remember, you always put a 1 there. So this question here is also multiplication. When we multiply powers with the same base, what are we doing with the exponents? Add the exponents. We're multiplying powers with the same base. We add the exponents. So we write the base. What's the base?
3.
And we're going to add 3 plus 2 is 3 plus 2, 5 plus, don't forget that 1. So it's going to be 3 to the power of 6. So we take this, we punch in 3 to the power of 6, whatever the symbol is. You need to be familiar with your calculator. And we get, what is it, 729? So again, that's 1 mark for single power, 2 marks for evaluating. 1, 2.
Do you still subtract this?
For division, we have 4 to the power of 7 divided by 4 to the power of 5. When you have powers with the same base, what do you do with the exponents? Subtract. So write the base. Always start with writing the base. What's the base? 4 to the power of 7 divided by 4 to the power of 5. What's the base? 4. And because it's division, we need to subtract the exponents. What's 7? Take away 5. 4 to the power of 2. That's 1 mark for single power. What's the second mark? What do I have to do with this?
You have to evaluate.
Okay, so 4 to the power of 2 means 4 times 4. What's 4 times 4?
16.
There we go. That's the second mark. Okay, so we have, for the next one, we have 2 to the power of 2, bracket, that means times. 2 to the power of 6, bracket, that means times. 2 to the power of 5. This is all multiplication. What do I do with the exponents?
Add them all together.
You add them. So we're going to write the base. What's the base?
2.
And then we're going to add 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 5.
Justin, take 2.
Finish this. We have to evaluate what's 2 to the power of 13. Who did this on their calculator? What did you get? Good. 8,192. Okay, for the next one, very important. A lot of you are getting confused with this. We have here 5 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. This is a power of a power. So what do we do with the exponents? For a power of a power, when you have the 2 exponents, we have 5 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. What do we do with the exponents? Yes, we multiply them. So we write the base. What's the base? 5. And then we multiply 2 times 3 is?
6.
Good. Can someone tell me what you get when you evaluate 5 to the power of 6? Raise your hand, please. 15,625. That's the second mark. And finally, the last one, very simple. It's division again. We have 8 to the power of 4 divided by 8 to the power of 2. Dividing powers, what do you do with the exponents?
You subtract.
So write the base. What's the base?
8.
4 take away 2. Good.
64.
8 times 8 is 64. Good. This question says 5 to the power of 2 bracket. What does bracket mean? Multiplied by 5 to the power of 4 to the power of 2. We have to simplify the power first. So I'm going to write 5 to the power of 2 because I'm not doing anything with that yet. I have to do this part first. What do we do when we have a power of a power? Yes. Multiply what? Exponents. Okay, what's the base?
5.
And we're multiplying 4 times 2 is 8. Now look, I have 5 to the power of 2 bracket. What does that mean? Multiplied by 5 to the power of 8. So what do I do with the exponents? Good. Add them. 5 to the power of 10. That's 1 mark. 2 marks. What's your third mark here? What do I have to do? Evaluate. What is 5 to the power of 10? 9,765,625. This question on the back was worth 3 marks. So for this one, what's the first step? Power of power. Good. This becomes 3 to the power of 8 because I need to multiply my power exponents. Divided by 3 to the power of 5. Now that it's division, what do I do with the exponents? Yes, subtract. So this becomes 3 to the power of 8 take away 5 is 3. Good. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Good.